After we create a document in Google, we need to make sure everyone is able to access it before it is uploaded into Schoology. In order to do that, please click the Share button. Once you click the Share button, you're going to see two separate white boxes. Right now, St. Mary's County Public School is able to view this link. Anyone outside of St. Mary's is not able to view it. We need to make that change. To do that, click Change. You're going to see right now where it says Copy Link, Viewer, St. Mary's County Public Schools. Click the arrow, and you want this to say anyone with the link. This will allow both our parents and our students to access the link. One final thing we need to do, if we want students to make changes in the item we sent, we need to click from Viewer to Editor, updating the link. Now that all of those permissions are changed, click Copy Link, done, and this link is the one you can edit and add to Schoology.